Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Wordscapes application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a 5 minutes when the application is uploading. And if you want to play, click to the level button. And new you can play this game. Just find the word in the circle and you can use different functions, for example the help, and new you can give a letter and on. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.